Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the My Little Pony book and figure collection. This time guys, it's none other than Rarity. You can see her a bit there. But well guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post a new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like My Little Pony, if you like Rarity, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Party. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to check out the book that came with it. Up at the top it says My Little Pony, of course, and it says the Fashion Week or La Semana de la Moda. And there you have Rarity with all of her friends, Applejack, Pinkie Pie, Fluttershy, Rainbow Dash, Twilight Sparkle. Let's open this up. There you can see Rarity with all of her friends. This was a really cool episode. And it was crazy because it was like, she just like took her ideas and like copied what Rarity did. All while pretending to be like nice. I love the expression that Twilight is just like, well, shoot, like, because Rarity is crying in bed and she's not even like with like a concerned face. And there we have the poster of Rarity, very cool. And here guys we have the augmented reality game instructions. And well guys, that's the end of that. Here we can see that this is from, of course, Hasbro, Discovery Kids, and Lupa. And well guys, let's flip back to the front here. And well guys, that's the end of that. Now it's time to unbox our brand new Rarity figure. Okay guys, so now it's time to unbox our brand new pony, our brand new Rarity figure. So let's go ahead and let's open her up. Ugh, there. Yay! Freedom! I'm pretty excited because Rarity is like my favorite. Or I should say one of my favorites. There's the band. Side, her cutie mark there with her diamonds. Tell me guys, tell me what is your favorite pony from My Little Pony? Or at least, I don't know, like your top 3, I don't know. Tell me down in the comments below. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this collection. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell, so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new, or whenever I stream a live stream. And of course guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partoner. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does gaming how-to, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye bye.